I studied the marketing funnel for a cycling school community that's doing $1 million per year. So the first thing that I started with was going to the YouTube to see what links they're sending people to. And I noticed that they have two links in the description. The first one is for someone to claim a free training plan. And then the second link is to the Instagram. There's a lot of school communities that are doing well on the platform that use YouTube as a way to get people into the community. And they typically have the school link in their description. But Scott, who runs this community, does not have his school link. So let's see how he's getting people to join his community without sending traffic directly to his about page. So this is the first link in his description where he's sending people to. This is a free perfect fit training plan. This is the VSL where he's talking about the training plan. And here you can add your number, first name, last name, and book a call with him or someone on his team. And the second link in his YouTube bio is to his Instagram. On his Instagram, he has 873 posts, no link in the bio, and all of his posts are reels. So all videos, and it's all just value-based for cyclists. I don't see any call to actions in the reels where he's telling people to leave a comment and he'll DM them a lead magnet or something. But what I did notice is that in his highlights, he has testimonials from people that have joined the cycling community. So at this point, this is the only direct mention of his cycling group that I see. And then when I go to the meta ad library to see what ads Scott is running, they are not sending people to the community either. They're sending people in this ad specifically to a quiz. It's a 60-second 10-question quiz for people to take. And once they take it, they can find out the type of writer that they are. It's like a writer profile quiz. And if you wanted to build a landing page like this for your lead magnet, he uses the Framer website to build this. So this is Framer if you wanted to use it. So what someone would do, they would click find out their writer profile, and then they went to their first name and their email and go to the test. So as soon as you submit your email address, you're actually brought back to this VSL page where you can book a training, and then a link to the quiz is sent to your email. So after you click the link in the email, you finish taking the quiz, and then you get your results, whether if you're a sprinter, climber, or whatever. And on each of these, there's a specific 3-minute video that talks about how you, as say a sprinter, for example, can get the result that you want. So these are individual, unique videos based on the results that someone got in the video. And then for each result, after they watch the video, they also get a card for the type of writer that they are. And there's a list of famous cyclists who share the same writer type as you. At about 2 minutes into the 3-minute VSL, Scott starts talking about the free orientation where you can get your training plan for free, and it brings you right back to this page again where you can book a call. So all of the marketing done externally for this $1 million school group is sending people to this VSL at some point where people watch this and then they can book a call to get their free training plan. This is obviously a sales call, and on that call, I'm sure the process is either sell them a high ticket service up front and downsell the community, or maybe there is no high ticket service and everything is just sending people back to the school community, which could also be possible because I couldn't find anything that linked directly to the school community. It seems that everywhere where Scott is posting content or running ads, it's sending people to this VSL so that they can get on a call. So this is now the second $1 million school community that I covered the marketing funnel for, and the flow is very similar for this one as well. It is give something away for free to the right person, and in Scott's case, it's either a free training plan or advertisement of a free quiz that someone can take to find out their writer profile type. So give something away for free, collect the contact information from this person, whether it's phone number or email address, just a way to get in contact with this person, and then nurture over time via calls, text, emails, until someone eventually joins the group. And that's the marketing funnel for a $1 million school community. Let me know what you think about Scott's marketing funnel in the comments, and if you think you could build something like this for your school community.